This one looks like the regular.
Banana pudding?
Yes.
Bristol, sit down.
Which one's regular?
This one looks like it.
Nah.
I think.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Or, I don't know. Oh, no, yeah, New York.
Yeah, that's what I said. Oh, I didn't see that, but yes.
Hey! Hey guys, we're doing a food review. We went to the Peach Cobbler factory. We got the banana pudding flights. Oh, we should have got one cobbler instead, but oh well. We did one of the flights, so like you can get like four different flavors. So we got the OG banana pudding. Take the top off so y'all can see it. It looks like regular
So that's yours.
banana pudding. That's Bristol's.
Huh? Sit down so you can eat it.
Okay, and then
I
we
got
got
cheesecake.
the New York cheesecake, which kinda looks like a regular banana pudding, but you can see it's got cheesecake in there. It's nighttime, so y'all can't really see. And then
I need a spoon.
we got bourbon pecan, which looks like it has like some toasted pecans in it. And then we got, this looks good. I think this is the one I'm gonna eat. What? Why are you just looking at me like that?
I think he wants that one.
Oh, did you want this one? Why are you so quiet? This is the Nutella one. I think I'm gonna eat the Nutella or try the Nutella one. Okay.
Nutella? I need a spoon.
Patience.
I'm gonna try it.
Bristol, you done tried yours?
I'm trying this.
Vanilla wafer. Oh, she already got
This
one.
is a wafer.
You sure you don't wanna?
This is delicious.
It is?
He wants to try it.
Let me have a taste.
He wants to try it. He wants to try it.
That actually is pretty good.
Are you still videoing?
Mm-hmm.
The vanilla wafer is making it even better. Why is it so quiet?
Y'all, the Nutella is good.
Banana is good.
It's got like just Nutella on top of, let's see if we can get a better view. It's got Nutella on top of the banana pudding, and it's really, really good.
You like it?
Y'all want to try mine?
I didn't get a taste.
Mm-mm.
I didn't get a taste. I don't want Nutella.
It's really good.
I'll try it.
You want to try it? Ooh.
Victoria, nobody wants to park beside of you because you did such a horrible job.
Such a horrible job, what?
Parking. Yeah, you did. You're
This-
not even in the line over here.
Who cares? Nobody else is here.
Yes, there is. That guy right there.
That was really good. And then this is the bourbon pecan.
Isn't he gonna have some of that?
No,
This vanilla is really good.
it is.
There, put it right there.
That's the bourbon pecan. I don't know if y'all can see.
Can I try one?
It's got a few nuts on there. Oh, well, you want to at least show them yours? How was you going to do the donut review with me the other day? You was just going to check it out? Dang.
Dad, are you gonna speak anything? Are you scared they're gonna hear you? Do you want to be seen on video?
This is delicious.
Do you want to see video? Dad! Dad! Do you want to be seen on video?
Carson's like, I'm not in the car with y'all. You want to try this one? It's bourbon pecan.
Ew, pecan is disgusting.
You want to try it, Bristol?
No.
No?
Where's his?
His is in the thing. I guess we better go because his got ice cream. Well, can I at least see yours?
You didn't know that everything.
It's pretty good. So the flight was $18. Everybody can get their own little, you can do the banana puddings or the cobbler. So one of these is all a person's gonna eat anyways. Y'all want to give y'all's final thought?
Good.
Good.
Excellent.
Excellent. We can come back another time for cobbler.
I don't like peach.
Well, it's any flavor cobbler.
The high mango. Good.
So
Do they have banana?
I don't know that banana cobbler is a thing.
Do you have Nutella?
Yeah,
Okay.
that would be really good in a cobbler.
I said Nutella.
So yeah, y'all, we'll do another review later on down the road and come back and get a flight of the cobblers. But the banana pudding is definitely good. I'm not a huge fan of banana pudding. But all right, y'all. See y'all in my next review. Bye. Y'all gonna say bye? Bye.
And that